Angela is a distinguished leader in her field and has been instrumental in the forward movement of the Kennedy Space Center. Despite all of her achievements and her hard work and dedication to NASA, she still finds time to mentor our students, to volunteer at local high schools, and to raise funds for charities close to her heart. I'm proud to honor her accomplishments and her service to others this evening.
Wow, I was super surprised and so honored to be included in the same company with this amazing group of honorees. Well, the stellar education that I received, obviously, but also really the flexibility and tailoring for a particular student and how much UCF cares about each individual student's future. I loved math and science, and my mom was an accountant and one of the smartest people I knew. So that's what I was pursuing initially. But by my junior year, I realized it wasn't for me. The structure and the cadence and the repetitive nature of accounting and finance. I wanted to go out and pave new paths and solve the problem and then move on to the next problem. And so someone suggested to me, had I considered engineering? And honestly, I had not. It was like this nebulous thing out there. And industrial engineering in particular is what I switched my major to and in my junior year. And UCF was absolutely amazing with that transition and helping me chart the course. And I know that they still do that today. I have a wonderful niece who is pursuing her education, and she's changed majors a couple of times and gets the very same treatment. That was one of the things that I really liked about being a Knight. I have a lot of really fond memories of collaborating in the old engineering building, because when I went to school, there was one engineering building, in the lobby with other students as we were going through our engineering core classes and collaborating. So I have kind of fond memories of that. And then my favorite non-academic memory would be one of the organizations I was involved with was doing a charitable event, and they worked security at a Rolling Stones concert and then donated the wages that we received to charity. And I have to say that was really cool to work security at that Rolling Stones concert. So a key goal for NASA is to extend human presence to the moon and onward towards Mars for long-term exploration. We have two main objectives. One is to develop human spaceflight economy enabled by a commercial market, and the other key objective is to enhance current space access and services. For me, the two key programs that I'm involved with specifically, first is the NASA Launch Services Program, and they are responsible for launching uncrewed rockets, delivering spacecraft that observe the Earth or visit other planets or explore the universe. The second main program that I support is the National Commercial Crew Program, which is a partnership to develop and fly human space transportation systems. So those are the two programs that I support specifically, that kind of are sister. They work in parallel with the goals that Artemis has to enable that really rapidly expanding commercial launch economy. UCF had a long-standing relationship with NASA and is a key partner in that, not only providing a pipeline of truly stellar engineers and scientists, many of whom I work with on a daily basis, but also in partnership with many organizations at KSC and across the agency in areas such as partnering on research for some of the innovations that are needed for space explorations. Many of which, some of those innovations actually take a ride on one of the launch vehicles that I work on every day, such as the Falcon 9 or the Atlas 5.